Welcome back to Deep South EDC. Today we're checking out the SOG Powerpint. So this little thing here, it's like the companion tool to this one that we checked out the other day. This was the SOG Power Leader. This one has that corkscrew wine bottle opener on it. And it's also the little brother to this thing, the SOG Power Access Deluxe. So let's just get into it. So of course this thing has the SOG geared lever system. So supposedly you get some extra torque on it. We got our wire cutters. Close the tool up. This side we got some scissors. Some not very good working scissors, I might add. I'll show you that in a minute. I mean, look, they don't even spring back up. Again, the only way to unlock the tools is to open the whole thing back up, push the lock back here, and fold it down. Over here we got our bottle opener that I modified into a flathead screwdriver. Because again, this tool didn't come with any flatheads. So there's the opening hack. We just open up one of the other tools a little bit and can close it up. We got our Phillips head. We got our can opener. Now on this one I did not modify it, but on the bottle opener it had this little tab here like this does. And that's what I ground down with the Dremel to turn it into a screwdriver. Alright, now we got our serrated edge blade. Now I do like that this tool does have a serrated blade and a straight blade. And it's getting hot. Alright, on this side, we got just the straight knife, little sheep's foot design. Got our awl, it's nice and sharp, nice big holes for your leather or cordage or whatever you're using. Now this is the only screwdriver, flathead screwdriver that this thing came with, and I think it's kind of a joke. It's just a jeweler's screwdriver is what they call it. Now, I have a Taurus G2C with adjustable sights, and it fits in those sights pretty well, but that's about it. Got our line cutter. It's good to open packages with. I just discovered like those plastic, blister pack packages. You just get that hook in there and you're good to go. Now the last thing, I have the same complaint with the Power Access Deluxe, is the file. It's not really a file. It's just a stamped piece of metal with some lines etched in it. Now I got a piece of wood here. I just wanted a file on it. I'm getting a little bit, but it's not like a real file. This side is even worse. That's like a drawing of lines on there. So anyway, let's test out some of the tools. All right, we got our knife here. It's about 1 7/8 long, so right under 2 inches. And that baby is sharp. That thing is razor sharp. All right, it's sharper than the one on the power leader. Damn, that's a sharp knife. All right, let's try these scissors. All right, let's check them out. Is that in frame? All right. So I push down, and that's what I get. That's it. They don't come up, so I'm going to go ahead and call that a fail. Fail on the scissors. I got some of this paracord here. This is some of that has the tinder inside. So just check out this line cutter. See if we can cut some line. Let's get a piece about this big. You guys see that? All right. Whew. Took some work, but it cut the line. I'd probably just go right for the knife. We got our combo edge here. Let's try that. Or not our combo, but our serrated. Oh yeah, right through it like butter. So, yeah. Well, let's check it out. Since we had busted out this fire cord, let's see if we can start a little fire with some of the tinder in here. So it comes with these red strands inside. So it's 550 cord. You take your sheath off, and you got your 7 strands, and then you got this bonus little tinder strand. So just kind of ruffle this stuff up a little bit. Nice and stringy and waxy. So I'm out here in southern Louisiana. It is like 100% humidity every day of the year. So the wood is always wet. Everything is always moist, has moisture in it. So something like this is kind of good to have around. Not necessarily the paracord with the fire starter, but like something that you could start a wet wood on fire with. Definitely. It is hurricane season, so maybe you want to think about putting something like that in your kit. All right, we got our ferro rod here, just a little 3/8. Now, normally on other multi-tools, the file or the saw is something good to use with the ferro rod, so we'll see if their file is good for something. Let me stand up here. Not really. It's not really a very sharp spine at all. There we go. No. Well, can't really get it with that. So, I guess all in all, I think the Power Leader is probably a better tool. This tool doesn't have that gripper that went over the top like the other one that kept it closed. So when this one was in my pocket, it definitely opened up all of the time that I used it. So I don't know if I'll carry this one. I do want to point out we got our classic Swiss Army knife here. I just want to show you the size comparison. So if you're looking for like a Swiss Army knife size with the multi-tool plier head, this might be an option for you. One other thing I did want to point out is look at the case on this tool. See how like uneven and lopsided it is? Like the casings are like cockeyed, they're not on straight. So when you open the tool, the plier jaws aren't aligned straight. So that's kind of annoying. Quality control could have been a little bit better on that. Anyway, that was the SOG Power Pint, the SOG Power Pint. Thanks for checking it out. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought. Hit that thumbs up button. If you watched on Rumble, hit that Rumble button. Thanks for watching.